I'm Stephanie Essen. This is IDZ Weekly. The Embedded Vision Summit starts next week from May 20th through 23rd. This is an event for innovators like you who want to incorporate visual intelligence into products. Held in Santa Clara, California, you'll be able to connect with hundreds of developers, business leaders, investors, and entrepreneurs, all with a special focus on embedded vision. You'll also learn about the latest in technology focused on bringing visual intelligence to cloud applications, embedded systems, mobile apps, wearables, and PCs. Get inspired by case studies from leading innovators, see live demos, and understand practical applications and techniques of computer vision. Some highlights include 2 days of sessions on embedded vision and deep learning techniques, technologies, and opportunities, hands-on interactive training classes, keynote presentations by industry luminaries, and practical sessions to help you create visually intelligent products and gain know-how about computer vision. Hurry, register today and join next week for the Embedded Vision Summit. See the links, and I will see you next Monday.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and haven't seen any of our other videos, subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. You can also connect with other developers and enthusiasts in the comments. See you all next time.